If your rear air conditioning in the Chevy Traverse is blowing hot air, let's troubleshoot the common culprits in this guide. Statistics show that over 70% of rear climate issues in these SUVs are caused by electrical components rather than major leaks. Before you take it to the shop, follow this logical path to isolate the problem. Start by checking the rear HVAC fuse, then listen for the blower motor and any clicking sounds that suggest a failed blend door. The most frequent failures are the rear blend door actuator, a faulty blower motor resistor, or a clogged rear expansion valve. Don't overlook electrical issues like loose ground wires or corrosion at the rear control module connectors. While you can easily swap a fuse or blower motor yourself, refrigerant-related repairs require professional equipment. Costs vary significantly, with simple fixes like fuses costing pennies, while an expansion valve job can reach $500. If basic checks fail, use a scanner for HVAC codes or a multimeter to confirm power is reaching the rear components. You will need a basic set of plastic trim tools and a multimeter to safely access and test the rear climate components. Safety note: always disconnect your battery before digging into the electrical system. I hope this helped you get your rear AC back to blowing ice-cold air. Subscribe for more Traverse troubleshooting guides.